Do you want to know how to set up UFO VPN on iOS devices? Let's get started. First, download and install UFO VPN in App Store on your iOS device. Tap Open or Launch UFO VPN app on the home screen of your device. Next, tap the Click button to connect button on the screen. Then, tap Allow to authorize UFO VPN to add VPN configuration on your device for the first connection. This step is the same on any VPN app installed on your device. It will pop up a password screen. Enter your screen password to confirm the add. Why choose UFO VPN for your iOS devices? The first reason is enhanced security. UFO VPN employs cutting-edge encryption protocols and stick to a stringent no-logs policy that makes your online activity private and secure. The second one is global connection. UFO VPN provides more than 2,000 servers in 50 countries to help access your favorite games, streaming, or browsing. The last one is user experience. UFO VPN gives users a user-friendly interface and reliable customer support. That's all. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment if you have any questions. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips.